Alright guys, it's time to take our app development skills to the next level. So in this module, we're going to introduce you to the wonderful world of CocoaPods and open source libraries. So essentially, you can view these as little discrete packages of code that another helpful programmer has produced, which we can incorporate into our own project so that we can cut down our development time, sometimes by months. Additionally, we're going to learn about how we can use APIs or application program interfaces to grab data from websites so that we can create our very own weather app. Now, if you've ever dreamed of having your very own weather app, then this is the module that will make it a reality. So let's have a look at what this app can do. All right, so here's our Klima app. And on launch, you first get the location-based weather screen. So this is grabbing my current GPS data and then sending that latitude and longitude data to the Open Weather Map servers to grab the weather data for my current location. So the two pieces of information that I'm displaying in the app is the current temperature as well as the current weather condition. Now, if we click on this switch button here, we can go to another screen. So this will be the first time that we're making an app with more than one screen. And we're going to talk about how to do that as well as some of the intricacies of multiple screen layouts. In this new view controller, I can put in a city name. So let's see what it's like in Rio right now. And I can click Get Weather to grab the weather data for that particular location. So if you ever needed to find out what the weather is like somewhere else, then this will be the app for you.